Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ako yung Ibisayan Coach. Ato ang mekanika ron sa D8 na to, D8. Ay, combination na siya. Left hook, right hook, ay left handed man ta. So, composition yan letter L. Ato nga mo, chikit. Letter L siya, siya 45 niya po. Step forward ka, left hook, right hook, backward, left hook, right hook. Twist ka po ni mong hips. Huwag mo right hook. Twist yung hips ni foot. As tagbi ka step. Forward, backward, and right hook. Forward. Left hook, right hook. Backward, left hook, right hook. Backward. Forward, left hook, right hook. Backward, left, right, forward, right boot, forward. Left hook, right hook. Left, right, forward. Left, right, backward, left, right. Alright guys, mga itong D8. More boxing videos and follow for more.